For a few weeks now we've been looking for a brand new PS5 stand, and well, we came across this aftermarket one from KIWIHOME. It does retail at £57, that's 65 in US dollars, and comes in this simplistic yet informative packaging with a simple fitment guide placed at the top of the package. For more precise information, we are provided with a handy user manual, and as you can see, we simply got the cooling fan itself. Before we go any further though, it means so much if you please like this video just now, as well as subscribe to this channel. I'd very much appreciate it. So what we get with the KIWIHOME stand is a durable feeling bright white ABS plastic design stand that almost has the resembling same features of the PS5 console. There are those dual fans that sit side by side, as well as a USB power cord that will fit into the rear of the PS5. In fact, we're quickly going to fit it into place. First, by simply unscrewing the PlayStation from that existing PS5 base stand. By the way, this KIWIHOME stand is indeed compatible with both digital and disc versions of the PlayStation 5, and because we're using the disc version today, we're gonna simply remove that curved shaped fitment, taking it out, placing it to the side, which will now enable us to place that PS5 console into place just like so on top of the KIWIHOME stand. Easy peasy! Let's insert that previously mentioned power cable. And, ooh, that's kind of lovely. Well, we do in fact get some real nice RGB lighting, 8 kinds in total. So we get a glowing orange colour tone, yellow, green, cyan, blue, purple, or we do indeed have this multi-colour tone to provide you with a cool gaming setup. To the front and rear of the stand, along the top, we have some cooling exhaust vents, again resembling the same type of vents that we see on a PS5 console. We do get a few functions and features, like that said RGB Light button, which when pressed numerous amounts of times, it will simply switch through those colour gradients, with a 3-second hold to switch the lights off. Now there's 3 USB 2.0 ports to allow you to use a mouse, keyboard or even a gaming headset. And lastly, to the left, we have that fan mode button, where you can switch between 2500 RPM to 3500 RPM. There is a few speed sequences, like an auto mode indicated by a green illumination, a low speed mode indicated by a flashing orange illumination, and a high speed sequence, which will basically illuminate in red. By the way, these fans, as you can hear, they don't sound too noisy. Nope, they will never outreach 40 decibels. But when you do first initially turn the PS5 console on, yes, it will at first sound a bit unstable, but it will, however, settle down after 30 seconds or so. Now yes, we do get 2 handy compartments to the left and right sides, but you will however need a bit of a nail to open them, as those said compartments are kind of stiff to open. I do rather wish they would have included some type of push activation. But nevertheless, in that left compartment, we have a bit of storage, where you can store up to 10 games in total. The right compartment, it just conceals dual Type-C charging docks, which should charge your PS5 controller from flat within 3 hours. Which, by the way guys, the charging of that controller will be a bit slower if, say, you're using those front USBs to charge your mobile phone. So yes, this KIWIHOME stand certainly looks real nice. I actually really like it with those compartments fully closed. But you know what, it is however handy to have all these little features in place for our own convenience when we need them. But here's how the fans work. With the fans now facing up through the bottom of the console, hot air that normally resonates at the base of the PS5 will now be pushed up, not only exhausting and fanning out that heat to the front and rear of the stand itself, but it will also enable the rapid exhaustion of the heat up and out of the PlayStation to provide maximum cooling so to avoid overheating. I don't know about you, but this stand certainly seems kind of nifty to me. I will note though that if you get one of these stands, you will be required to dust the vents the same way you would clean out the PS5 ventilation, so to allow maximum ventilation at all times. But yeah, I really do love this piece of aftermarket tech. Compared to some of the other aftermarket accessories that we have reviewed previously on our channel, this KIWIHOME stand certainly stands right out. But realistically, how well does the fans work, I hear you say? Well, we did in fact test the heat of the PlayStation while it was fully in gameplay, and this is the temperature we started with. This is the temperature we now get when that stand is plugged in. So yeah, as you can see, it works rather fine, ventilating the heat from the rear and front of the stand and helping aid push that heat out through the console itself. Now I will leave a link for this in the video description down below so you guys can go and check this out for yourself. I am not affiliated in any type of way to this product, so you're free to check that link out should you wish. But if you have liked what you've seen within this video today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. Please subscribe to this channel just now, I'd very much appreciate it. Bear in mind to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been great reviewing some more PS5 accessories this week, and we hope to be doing some more interesting tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for those videos. As usual, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!